In conclusion, Count Corliss, that I say that, Deputy Howlin, I consider your comments here today to be nasty and offensive. I have absolutely no doubt, and I'm in this House for 30 years, that your actions and your words were prompted by your deputy from Tipperary, Deputy Alan Kelly, because they'd be very typical of his reaction to me in my county. When you attack me in such a manner as you did today, you insult the people of Tipperary, the people who vote for me as an elected representative of this House. And I remind you, Deputy Howlin, that like every member of this House here today, I have a democratic mandate from the people of Tipperary who have voted for me consistently and put me as their representative in this House. I have enjoyed their confidence and their trust for over 30 years. And I hope when the next election is called, they'll re-endorse me as a member of this Parliament for the constituency of Tipperary. And finally, I would say to you, Deputy Howlin, that I have exactly the same entitlements to access the system of government as any other member of this House. My telephone conversations with Taoiseach-elect Varadkar were on the basis of the programme for government, the policies which I was hoping that he would support. And on the basis of those two discussions that I had with him, I'm very happy to support him as Taoiseach and to continue to support this government, particularly on budgetary matters. Because it's not possible as members of a parliament to be clamouring every other day for resources and monies to be spent on particular projects if you're not prepared to stand up and take the budgetary measures that are necessary to ensure that there is funds available to implement the policies you seek.